Welcome to the Larry Under Pressure YouTube channel. In this video, Larry will be demonstrating a great, easy way to cook sweet potatoes in the rice cooker. It's foolproof and you'll love the results. So let's head to the kitchen.
Hello everybody and welcome to the channel. This is Larry at Larry Under Pressure, and we're going to do a quick video this morning on cooking sweet potatoes in the rice cooker. The rice cooker is one of those items that I use a lot because it's so versatile and do so many different things. And I'm actually starting, this is the first in a whole series of quickies that I'm doing in the rice cooker that if you're a student or if you're in a hurry or just want to keep things simple, is a great way to do it. So what we're going to do is we're going to fix some sweet potatoes in the rice cooker. You don't have to preheat the oven and warm things up or do anything else. It's just real simple. So let's get started. First of all, I've got a couple of small-ish sweet potatoes, and you can use larger ones. You can use as many as you want as long as you have the capacity in your rice cooker. I'm using a small Aroma, real simple cooker. I've got larger ones that do a lot more things, but we're going to do it real simple this time. So these are washed, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut the ends off of them, and then I'm going to simply cut them in half so they cook quicker. If I can get them cut in half, there's one of them. There's the ends off the second one. And we're going to cut that one in half. And they're all ready to go to the next step. We're going to put them in the pot. Let's get these sweet potatoes in the pot. It's real easy. We're going to put them in with a little gap between the pieces. Just like that. And then we're going to pour water, just regular tap water, up to about halfway on the pieces. Cover it. And then we're going to turn it on and start the cook. There's the pot, and it's got the potatoes in it. Each one cut in half, so 4 halves of the sweet potatoes. And you can see the lights on the keep warm light. That's what happens when you plug this type of pot in. It doesn't really have an on and off switch. So it's either plugged in and on or unplugged and off. So we're going to push the lever down, and that'll turn it to cook. Then what's going to happen is it's going to heat up and start to boil. And when it gets to a certain point that it's low enough on water, it'll shut off. And at that time, we'll come back and check for doneness. These have been cooking now for about 12 minutes. I've had them on a timer, and you can see they're boiling, so they're continuing to cook. We'll let them keep boiling until the Aroma rice cooker shuts off and goes to keep warm. I'm back for a quick update. It's been 25 minutes now. You can see that it's still boiling, but it's beginning to look better and better. So we'll be back. Let's take the lid off. They're still boiling a little bit, and that's okay. And I'm going to use a skewer to see. Yeah, they're real soft through and through. So the texture feels perfect. Let's take them out and plate them up. Let's take these out, and then we'll taste them. Let's get them plated. They feel like they've been baked. The texture is really nice. And none of the muss and fuss. No preheating the oven, no greasing the pans, nothing else. So it sure is easy. These look great. I've got them plated up. Let's take the peeling off this one. Look how nicely that comes off. Look how pretty. I don't know if you can tell the texture on the camera, but it's perfect. Now all we'd need to do to make them really perfect is add some cinnamon, maybe some brown sugar, and a little bit of butter, and they'd be perfect. Let me taste it and see how they taste. Real good. Actually, I think it's better than baked. It was a good cook. I'm glad we did it. Hope you enjoyed it. This is really good. Anything that you can fix in the rice cooker turns out really well for 1 or 2 people, or if you just want something quick, like if you fixed some ground beef patties, some hamburger type things, and wanted some sweet potatoes to go with it, this is an easy way to do it and works great, and gives you enough for 2, maybe 3 people that you could have this with. Also for students in a dorm, or if you're traveling in the car or in a hotel, this is a great way to fix things. I'll be doing several items. I'm going to be doing spaghetti. I'm going to be doing, maybe 4 or 5 different quick items in the rice cooker in the next few days. So keep on the eye out. If you've enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel. It really helps us get out to more people and helps get our message out. And we always appreciate it. I'll also leave a purchase link in the information below for the Aroma rice cooker, and actually for several of them, because I use about 4 different ones, and I'll leave them on there. And if you purchase through the link on my channel, it helps the channel, but it doesn't cost you anymore. So try these, see what you think, leave your remarks and your comments or your suggestions, and we'll look forward to seeing you on the next video. It's always good to see you. Take care now.
Thanks for joining us for our video. We do this all for our viewers and appreciate your watching. If you're already a subscriber, you know we love you, and if not, we would love to have you join up. It costs you nothing but helps the channel. This is Andrew, and as always, we wish you happy cooking.